Are you interested in graphic design, but not quite sure where to start? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphics editor developed and marketed by Adobe Inc. It is used to create illustrations, charts, graphs, logos, and other visual designs that can be scaled to any size without losing quality. The Illustrator interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The toolbar is located on the left-hand side of the screen and provides access to a wide range of tools and features. Let's say you're a business owner and you need a new logo for your company. Illustrator has all the tools you need to create a professional-looking logo from scratch. You can use the pen tool to create custom shapes, add text with the type tool, and even import images to use as a reference. Illustrator is also great for creating charts and graphs for presentations or reports. You can use the chart tool to create pie charts, bar graphs, and more, and customize them to match your brand colors. Once you're finished designing your graphic, you can export it in a variety of formats, including PDF, SVG, and JPEG. Adobe Illustrator is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite of applications, which includes other popular programs like Photoshop, InDesign, and Premiere Pro. So whether you're a graphic designer, marketer, or business owner, Adobe Illustrator is a powerful tool that can help you create beautiful, professional designs. Try it out for yourself and see what you can create.